Hi, I'm Elease Humes with Evolv AI, and we're going to review how to add a screenshot using a URL. So we're in Views. We'll go ahead and add a new view. I'll call it product page. And the URL is our platform. Go ahead and save. Great. That looks right. I'm just going to scroll, make sure everything looks okay, zoom out. Looks good for mobile, tablet, and desktop. Sometimes it will capture a pop-up, say for cookies, and in that case, you would simply edit using this button within the view state, delete what's there for each device, and then upload the screenshot. Go ahead and exit, and we will wait for our recommendations to come through. Great, and here they are, generating hypotheses. Thanks.